Today we are diving into fascinating world of peptides, focusing on one in particular, SS31. What is it, how does it work, and what benefit can it offer? First up, what exactly is SS31? SS31 is a small synthetic peptide derived from segments of the BCL2 protein. It's been designed specifically to target mitochondria, the powerhouse of our cell. I have discussed the importance of mitochondria for energy production, metabolism, and overall health in my past videos. Mitochondria are very important for slowing down the symptoms of aging. Mitochondria are vulnerable to damage from something called reactive oxygen species or ROS and other oxidative stress. Reactive oxygen species are responsible for cell death, cancer, aging, and inflammation. This is where the mitochondrial peptide SS31 comes into play. Let's break down how SS31 works. So number one, it works by mitochondrial protection. SS31 helps maintain the integrity of mitochondrial membrane, which is crucial for energy production and cell survival. By preventing the membrane permeability transition, SS31 reduces the cell death caused by oxidative stress. Number two, reduction of oxidative stress. SS31 decreases the production of ROS within the mitochondria. This reduction helps improve the cellular function and vitality. Number three, enhancement of energy production. By protecting mitochondria, SS31 enhances ATP production, the energy currency of the cell. This supports overall cellular metabolism. Now let's explore the potential benefit of SS31. Research into SS31 is still going on, but early studies suggest that several promising benefits. Here are the 5 possible benefits of SS31. Number 1, neuroprotective effects. SS31 may offer protective effects in neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's. By supporting mitochondrial function, it could slow the progression of these conditions. Number 2, cardiovascular health. SS31 has shown potential in improving heart function, which might benefit patients with heart diseases by protecting heart tissue from oxidative damage. Number 3, muscle recovery and performance. For athletes, SS31 might aid in muscle recovery. Enhanced mitochondrial function can support quicker recovery time and improved performance. Number 4, anti-aging properties. SS31 is being investigated for its potential anti-aging effects, contributing to healthier aging process by mitigating oxidative stress. Number 5, overall cellular health. SS31 could benefit various cellular processes, leading to improved health outcome across a range of conditions. SS31 is a peptide with immense potential for enhancing mitochondrial health and combating oxidative stress. While research is still underway, the potential benefit may include improvement in metabolism, neurodegenerative diseases, cardiovascular health, muscle recovery, and anti-aging. If you're interested in exploring the benefit of SS31 further, make sure to consult with a healthcare professional who specializes in peptide therapies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content on health and wellness.